Hi guys, welcome to Camera's Corner. Last week I celebrated my birthday and I got loads of sweet presents, and some of them were Alice in Wonderland presents. So I thought, let's share them with you. One of the presents was this one, a huge jumbo pin. I got this one, it's by Loungefly, I wanted to say. I got this one from my husband and it is so amazing. And guys, look at the packaging. It just looks so gorgeous. And over here as well. It's a limited edition. 1200 are made of these and I have one of them. And let me just open it. Now I don't think I'm gonna take this pin out. What would you do? I do have a pin board, although it's almost full, so I don't even have space for this one. But say I have another pin board. Would you take this one out, put it on the pin board, or just leave it in here? I'm gonna leave it in here anyway, because it just looks so gorgeous. Look at it, there's wonderful clouds, and then the card guards over here, and then this huge jumbo pin in the middle. Look at this. You're not gonna put this on your cardigan. It won't stay on. It's too heavy. So this is for display, just for collectors, just to look at and be very happy. Now this one is a swivel pin. It has Alice's arm. You can swivel it like this. It's like this. It's not really nice. Doesn't look very healthy, but you can make her really paint the roses. Look at it. Isn't it awesome? And then you have a card guard over here with a bucket of paint on his head. And guys, look at it. Sparkles. Oh. So this is so gorgeous. I'm so happy with this pin. And I'm just gonna put the what you call this? I don't know. The brush, it's simple, over here. So because this splatters, so you can see that she is painting that rose red and yeah, throwing this on one of the card guards. It's so gorgeous. So it looks amazing like this. So I'm going to put this on my shelf, I think standing up like this, the back of the shelf, so and put it a little bit higher so I can put something in front of it. But you can really see this. It's going to be very pretty. Or I can just put it down like this. It does take up a lot of room because it is so big. And last week I showed you that I had 2 of these already. And I already have, I think, 2 or 3 different ones. So last week I got 2 more and now I got this one. But that's not all. Jan got me this one as well. I've got 2. So I need to find a spot for them. But it is getting a bit harder to find a spot for everything. But I'll manage. But look at this one. Oh, but let's keep it in the box first. Look at it. It's a caterpillar and a huge mushroom, and I really love these leaves. I just love the way this looks. It's so different from this one. This one is fun and cute, and this one is a bit classy because it's got all this gold on it as well. It is a limited edition of 1500. It's exactly the same. No, this is 1200. This is even more limited. Well, this one looks a bit more expensive. But look at it. It is again a huge pin. You couldn't wear this because this one is also very heavy because it is not one pin. Well, it is, but it is a book. You can open it. Ta-da! What? And you can close it again. It's so amazing. Now, did I show you? I do have a purse of this. I'm not even sure if I showed you that one. This looks exactly like a purse that I have. If I haven't shown you, I might show you in one of my coming videos. Otherwise, check it in one of my previous videos. It is a backpack actually that looks exactly like this book. It has this as the front, exactly like this one. Guys, look up close. It's so gorgeous. I love it so much. And you can open the purse and then you see exactly this. It's so awesome. So the fact that I have actually it's more of a backpack and the pin, that's amazing. So there is a backpack of this one as well, but I don't have this one. But I do love the pin. This one, I just love the backpack. All of a sudden, I began to fall down, 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 down. Isn't it awesome? And then off with our heads, the Queen of Hearts yelled. So there are little magnets over here, and then you just close the book. I just think it's so awesome. And all these beautiful leaves over here, it's just, the packaging is just as amazing as the pin actually. Isn't it beautiful? So thank you so much, Jan. I love this.
You're welcome, dear.
Oh, thank you. He's over here. Okay. So I got this, but I got more, guys. My kids gave me these. I'm just gonna put, these are the normal sized pins, so yeah, this is a bigger pin. I'm just gonna put them to the side for a second. This one I got from my daughter. It is an Animators Collection pin. It is Alice, the little Animators doll. I'm gonna open both of them first because it sounds like this. So guys, look at her. How cute is this? It's a cute little Alice, and I think she's reading a book, although the book is not here. But maybe she's reading this book, I don't know. It is so gorgeous. Now this one, I'm gonna take a picture of this on this little card, and then I'm just gonna take it off and put it on my pin board. And of course I'm gonna keep this card so I can always, if I, for some reason, I don't know why, but want to put it back, I can find the right card that goes with it. It's from Disneyland Paris, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Now they didn't go to Disneyland Paris, they ordered it somewhere online, but it is so cute. So thank you, Noortje, so sweet of you. I did get some more items, I might just show you in a second. It's not Alice in Wonderland, but also very nice. So Tim gave me this one. It's the Mad Hatter, and I really love this, that he's pouring tea into his collar and it's coming out here and it's going into the teacups. I just really love that scene in the movie. And again, this looks really nice. I'm gonna take a picture of it and then take this off and put this one with the Mad Hatters on my pin board. It's gorgeous, right? Oh yeah, I was really spoiled on my birthday. I'm just gonna show you real quick what else they gave me, and then I have some other items to share with you that I bought a few weeks ago. But yeah, I got pins for my birthday. How about that? Loads of them. So my daughter also gave me these stickers, and it's a bit hard to show you because they are see-through sheets, but so you see all of them. But look at it, how cute! It's so cute. So I love stickers and I love cute stickers. You know me, I love cute stuff. So thank you so much, Noortje. So sweet, it's so sweet. So my kids also gave me this. It's a Harry Potter memory game. And yes, guys, I do collect memory games. I just love them. I've been collecting them on and off for years now, and then I think, now I'm not gonna do that. And then I give away a lot of them. I donate them or give them to the thrift store or whatever. And then I think, yeah, but I really like it. And then I start collecting it again. Anyway, a while back I decided, you know, I just really like it, and I don't have to have every memory game I see, because you see a lot of them in thrift stores or car boot sales or whatever, but just the ones that I really think are special. So I have a few now, and they got me this one, and yes, I think this is special because I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. It's the Wizarding World memory game. Oh, look at it. So we do play memory games every now and then because it is just awesome. I haven't played this one, of course. Awesome, right? I really like this. There's no Harry Potter in here. Where is he? I don't know. Anyways, we are going to play this game pretty soon. Oh, oops. I just love stuff like this. I just love the fact that you have two of the same of everything. Okay, I know that's the memory game, but I just love the fact that there are two of each. I know. I'm weird. Okay. So, thank you so much, Tim and Noortje, for all your sweet presents for the memory game and the stickers and the pins. And I also got, well, Jan and I both got flowers because it also was our anniversary. 38 years. Oh dear. It's 2/3 of my life, guys. I was 19 when I got married. I'm 57 now. So 2/3 of my life I've been married to my sweet hubby. So they also gave us flowers and some cards, and it was so sweet. Okay, so those were my birthday presents. No, I have another one to show you. I got this from a friend and I just really needed to share with it. I told her that I do collect, okay, I collect everything, I know. Christmas paper, Disney Christmas paper or Disney wrapping paper. And she had this one and she said, oh, I do have something that you might like. So she gave me this. Look at it. Oh, it's so awesome. Now I don't know what to do with this because I do cut out A4 and put it in a binder. But I'm not sure if I want to cut anything out of this. I'm not sure if this is a valuable book or just an awesome book. And if it's valuable, maybe I'm still gonna cut some out. That's one of the decisions I can't make for now. So for now, I love this one the best, by the way. I'm just gonna leave it in here and enjoy it as a book. But maybe one day I'll just cut out little bits. So sweet, isn't it awesome? So yeah, this is exactly like the memory game. It's an old collection that, you know, I just now, I collect with, how do you say that, in waves. So sometimes I'm really excited and I want everything, and then it just cools down a bit and I have another collection that I like. But that's what I like about it. So, okay, do we have time for these? But they're exactly the same. Yes, they are. What? I bought a Cheshire Funko Pop. No, I bought 2 of them. Look at it. They're exactly the same. Why did you buy 2? Well, because... exactly the same over here as well. Ta-da! This one is a chase. It is glow in the dark and it is flocked. They're both special editions, but all Funko Pop are special editions, right? It's supposed to be that you buy this one, the number 1199 Cheshire Cat, standing on his head, his own head, and then every now and then someone is lucky and gets a chase. But no one does that. Everyone sells these separately. They take this one out of the box and sell it for a lot of money. So I bought these together, and it was way more expensive than this one, but it was still affordable. And I know that now it's not affordable anymore. So I just treated myself and bought them both. Because you're not gonna get a chase. I don't think there are many stores that do that, because you can see it's a chase. So, oh well. A special one. Let me take them out of the box. Look at them. I think it's so funny. It's Cheshire standing on his own head. Where's his head? Well, he's standing on it. It's just, I think it's such a fun one. And when I saw it, I thought, yeah, I really want to buy this one, but I kept forgetting and forgetting. And then the chase, the special one, got a bit more expensive, so I thought I need to buy it now if I want it. And yes, I want it. So I bought this a few weeks ago. It's just amazing. Now it does have a little spot on here, but oh, I can get it off. I can get it off. Okay. When I look at Funko Pop, I always want the face to be nice, because there's always a flaw somewhere, and that's okay, but as long as it's not right on the face. Now, I just think it's so funny, standing on his own head. And well, can you spot the difference? Well, first of all, this huge glowing eye, which is kind of creepy. It's glow in the dark, guys. I'm not sure if the grin is glow in the dark. I haven't checked that out, but at least the eye is. It's also glow in the light, because whoa, that's bright. But it is flocked. Can you see that? It's soft and flocked. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And for the rest, it's exactly the same. Well, it isn't, because it's glow in the dark and flocked. But I'm so happy I bought it. It was actually a ridiculous amount of money for a Funko Pop, but I still thought it was worth it, and I'm glad I did, because but they're asking for it by now, a few weeks later. Insane. So yeah, it's just so cute. So I'm gonna put these on the shelf together, and then I'm gonna put on the light and turn it off again, put it on, turn it on again, and turn it off again to see if it really is glow in the dark. But yeah, I just wanted to share these with you. So I do have loads of these empty boxes now, and normally when I buy a Funko Pop, because I have a few of them in my living room, I just throw out the box. But with Alice, of course, I don't. And then they take way more space than the pop itself. But maybe this time I'm gonna put this again on the back of the shelf and put it on top of it. So you hardly see it. The box is so huge. Anyway, I just love them. I like them. So I got these myself a few weeks ago, and I'm sharing them with you now. But of course, I want to show you what I got for my birthday again. My husband got me these 2 amazing big jumbo pins by Loungefly, and my kids got me these cute pins. I love them so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for making this a wonderful birthday. And it's, of course, not all about the presents, although I like presents, I like surprises. I had an amazing birthday, and it was wonderful sharing it with my family and some friends. And I just had a great time. Thank you all guys for celebrating with me, and also thank you everyone who congratulated me on my previous video, because I shared with you that it was going to be my birthday soon, and also on Facebook and all my social media. Thank you so much for all your birthday wishes. It was an amazing time. So now I have to wait another year before we get some more cake. No, of course not. There's always room for cake, and there's always an excuse for cake. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble, so I'm gonna stop filming. Hope you liked the video. If you did, you know, a thumbs up would be appreciated, and I would love it if you subscribe. And let me know, what do you like best of all these beautiful presents, and also the memory and the stickers and the Christmas wrapping paper book. I love it all. So that's it. I'm gonna go upstairs and find a spot for this, and I do have 2 shelves full of Funko Pop by now. This is gonna go on the 2nd shelf. I had to clear a shelf just for the Funko, so yeah, yay. Anyway, so I want to show you that pretty soon, but I say that a lot, so one day guys, one day. That's it for today, and all that's left to say is groetjes uit Wonderland, greetings from Wonderland.